Where can I find reliable Edgenuity answers?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to address a common question that many students have. Where can I find reliable Edgenuity answers? It's understandable that you might be looking for these, especially when you're stuck on a particularly challenging question. However, let's clarify something important from the get-go. There's no ethical way to simply fetch all answers from Edgenuity. But don't worry, we're here to guide you on how to effectively use and understand the Edgenuity platform.
What is Edgenuity?
Edgenuity is an online platform that provides a wide range of educational content. It's used by schools across the globe to facilitate online coursework, homework, and more. It is important to note that Edgenuity is designed to promote learning, not just to test your ability to find answers.
Is looking for direct answers the best approach?
You may be tempted to search for a quick answer, especially when facing a tricky question. However, this approach might hamper your learning process. Keep in mind, the primary goal of these programs is to improve your understanding of the subject matter, not just to get you through the tests or assignments. Remember, knowledge gained is far more valuable than a quickly Googled answer.
How can I effectively use Edgenuity?
Edgenuity itself is a fantastic tool for learning. It offers a wealth of resources to help you understand your coursework better. Here are some tips. 1. Take advantage of the lesson materials. Each lesson comes with a variety of materials like videos, interactive quizzes, and supplementary readings. Engage with these to deepen your understanding of the topic. 2. Utilize the e-notes feature. This is a virtual notebook where you can jot down important points as you progress through your lessons. 3. Participate in virtual classroom discussions. Interacting with peers and teachers can be very helpful in grasping complex concepts. 4. Reach out for help. If you're really stuck, don't hesitate to contact your teacher. They're there to help you learn. Learning can be tough, but remember that Edgenuity is a tool designed to support your educational journey, not just a hurdle to overcome. So, instead of searching for direct answers, aim to utilize the resources available to you through the platform. It may seem a bit more time-consuming at first, but in the long run, you'll reap the benefits of a deeper understanding and a more enriching learning experience. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, keep learning and stay curious.